welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be saying how to make a homemade mask with only 3 things. So there are 2 rubber bands, any kind of rubber bands you can take, like a piece of cloth and a stapler. So we will first fold the cloth zigzag like this, as you can see. Then after this we will fold it like this, fold it like this. Then we will tie a rubber band around this side. After this we will fold it. As you can see, this is a wrist, and after this we will staple it from this side. The staple should be at the rubber band like that. Then we'll take this side, same here, then staple it. Now as you guys can see, it's a really good mask to wear. I will let you guys can see I have made it, so that's perfect. So you should make it at home. I'll see you guys. Goodbye.